next category is estrogens, which is called female or follicular hormones. It is basically female sex hormones. Naturally, there are three estrogen are available: estradiol, estriol, and estrone. Estrone basically it having a ketonic functional group. Estriol means three hydroxy groups are present in the steroidal calectons, and estradiol, two hydroxy groups are present. So as we see in estrane nucleus, so there are total 18 carbon are present in the estrane nucleus. Now what are the sources of the hormone? So generally it is produced by developing the follicle in ovaries, the corpus luteum and the placenta. Some of the estrogen are also produced in smaller amount by other tissue as liver, adrenal glands as well as the breasts. The secondary source of the estrogen are especially important in postmenopausal women. Now let's see the estrogen biosynthesis, how it is convert from C19 to C18 steroidal scalactrin. So this is an androstenedione. Why it is called androstenedione? Because of 3 and 17 position there are ketonic group. Now androstenedione and aromatase. Aromatase is an enzyme which is responsible for aromatization of the ring A. So androstenedione, by using aromatase enzyme which is aromatize the ring A. If you look at here, A ring in androstenedione which is non-aromatic, but after aromatization by using aromatase enzyme which is converted into the aromatic ring system. So A ring that become aromatic which gives the structure of the estrone. Now again if you look at here, methyl group is there in androstenedione. In estrone, methyl group is missing. So again I am telling you, okay, this C19 steroid which is converted into the C18 steroid scalactone which is called estrone. Another is testosterone. Again it is a androsten. Steroid nucleus is present, A ring is there. So if you look at the, or if you compare the structure of androstenedione and testosterone, so androstenedione where 17 keto group is there, in testosterone 17 hydroxy group is there. This is only minor modification is there in the structure between androstenedione and testosterone. So again testosterone by using aromatase enzyme which gives the structure of estradiol, again A ring of the testosterone it is aromatized, and then after estradiol by using 16 alpha hydroxylase which is converted into the estradiol. Again this is also a kinds of estrogen. Some more estrogen is also produced by various androsten like 16 alpha hydroxy androstenedione by using 17 hydroxy steroid dehydrogenase enzyme as well as aromatase enzymes. Again it is converted into the estradiol. This is how naturally estrogens are synthesized. So estrone